Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you overwhelmed with the insane amount of selfie sticks that are available for purchase? Well, let me narrow it down for you. This one I got from Koolehaoda absolutely stands out from among the crowd. My favorite thing about it is just how sturdy it is. This is not flimsy, it's super well made. As a content creator, I do a ton of filming, and shocker, I don't have a group of people that follow me around filming for me. So having a tool that I can truly rely on is super imperative. I am so sick of having to shove my phone into one of those cell phone holders on a selfie stick. And because this just is magnetic, it's so easy. I can just put it on there, adjust it to whatever angle that I want. It is perfect. I can use it with confidence knowing that my phone isn't going to fall off. It is going to stay very secure regardless of it being upside down, up in the air, waving around. It doesn't matter. It stays right in place, which is awesome. I love that this goes up to 64 inches because I need that when I'm filming. I'm 5'4", so I like a pretty good straight on shot or a little bit above, so it's a good angle, and that accommodates it really well. As soon as you handle this selfie stick, you're going to know that it is high quality. It's built to last. I really love it, and that's my point of view.